You, Nikki?
Thank you. That is great.
Happy.
Yeah, 15 years ago. Yeah. It was raining.
You're right.
It's raining.
Yeah, I'll remember my dress.
Yeah, present.
Just this chocolate whale with peach and gorgeous.
Pounds in the house. At least they were before he went to camp.
All right.
We bought cheap towels to take to camp.
Jenny got a new J. Crew catalog thing.
Cool. They had some stuff in there that I could have worn to school.
Yeah, I thought maybe they would. They have good polo. Aunt Carol and
Oh,
Elaine.
the card. That's a big present.
Excuse me?
I said, you and Aunt Carol are the only two people I know that.
All right.
Oh, that's pretty.
I
Yeah,
thought it was pretty.
I like that.
Right?
Oh, that's really pretty.
Hold it up, Alex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,